It's a brisk morning here in North Carolina and checking in with an update on my Quonset hut. So, ran into a few stumbling blocks. We got to the end of the construction of the arches and came to realize that SteelMaster shorted us a few hundred bolts and nuts, which are very custom to their buildings. I went round and round with them this week, and their customer service has been absolutely horrible, pretty much from start to finish in this project. Once I paid the deposit, that's where the customer service went downhill from there. Long story short, they will not send me my bolts. Even though they did not get them to me, they showed proof that they were on the truck that delivered my goods. Does not really matter that they were on the truck if they did not make it to me. They sent me a picture of the box of extra nuts and bolts on a pallet that was not mine on the truck. I'm not sure what good that does me, but regardless, I don't have them. I need them, so I had to pay for them. They're pointing their finger at the trucking company. The trucking company is saying, why didn't we file a claim sooner? That's a whole nother story from when we got the building. We couldn't get our permit because the blueprints, also from SteelMaster, were incorrect, and they would not fix them for quite a long time. That held up the project for months. So here we are. We cannot finish construction on the arches until we get the replacements, which I paid for yesterday, and they should be here in hopefully a week or so. But in the meantime, we are forging forward with construction on the end walls. So in my particular building, I opted to not purchase the end walls from SteelMaster. I kind of got a closeout, really discounted priced unit that did not include end walls. So I felt like for the discount, I could get really lean. We could finish out the end walls on our own, just do some really basic gable end walls. We're gonna do 2x6 metal studs. We are opting to go with the same siding treatment as the farmhouse behind me. So we're gonna go smooth cement board siding with batten strips, 24 on center. And I am going to go ahead and sheetrock the inside walls and insulate those. Let me see what's going on today. So yesterday it was pouring cats and dogs. We couldn't really get started on the end walls. Today we've kind of got a nice light drizzle. Hopefully it stays that way. I'm getting started on these end walls. Morning. Cold one. So we've got the 2x6 metal studs and then some nice steel trap that's going to help frame it in on that arch. It's colder than I thought out here. Oh my gosh. And there are the components of the last arches that we need to get up on this side once I have my bolts. Check in with another update once we get further along.